Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. So I'm here at my local Dollar Tree. I was in search for some storage bins. Now I know they're pretty flimsy, but I had an idea on how to change them up to make them sturdy and altogether give them a different appearance so that they could go with my home decor. Now at the moment, Dollar Tree is carrying these colors and these different styles, and they have this gold in the front. But like I said, I'm going to change them all together so that they can go with my style. So for the moment, I'm going to be taking these 4. Now one thing I can say about these bins is that they are large and you can store plenty of items in them. Now for this insert, yikes, we need to do something about this. It is super thin and super flimsy, but we're going to fix that in a moment. I'm going to use some ready board from Dollar Tree to make this bin sturdy. So I'm going to start first with the front side of the bin by cutting out a piece of board to fit the front panel. So now that I've cut my piece of board, I'm just making sure that it'll fit perfectly on my front panel. And now for the bottom insert, I'm going to also trace out another piece of board for it and cut that out as well. Next, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm just going to put some on the bottom of the insert and then place my board on top. Now this will make my bottom bin nice and sturdy. I'll be using this faux wood contact paper to cover the front panel. If you're interested in this one, I'll go ahead and link it for you down below. Next, I'm going to cut a piece of contact paper to fit my board. Basically, all I'm going to do is trace around the board. However, I am going to leave about ½ an inch, give or take. If you're new to my channel and enjoy easy and simple DIYs like these, please consider to subscribe. I also post on TikTok. I would love for you to go visit me over there. You can find all my social media on my Linktree account. Link will be on the description box. And now I'm applying the contact paper over the board using a squeegee to make sure it adheres evenly. And here I'm just showing you how I cut the corners. That way, whenever I fold the contact paper, it'll fold nice and neatly. So now I'm ready to attach the foam board to the front panel of my storage bin. So I'm just going to add some hot glue to the front and then just place my board over it. This size of bins normally run about $9 and change at Walmart. So this is a very cheap alternative. Now that I've attached the front foam panel, my storage bin is much sturdier. For just $1.25, you can transform several of these bins and make them more sturdy. So this is what I'm going to do with the rest of the other bins that I purchased. I wanted to give my storage bins a high-end look, so I decided to use these handles that I had left over from a previous project. They do come with screws, but I couldn't use them for this project because they were too long for the foam board. So I opted to just use super glue and hot glue to attach them to the front panels. These were very inexpensive on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them down below. And here I'm just taking you up close just so you could see the hot glue and the super glue underneath. And surprisingly, they held up really well. Lastly, I'm going to insert the bottom insert. Now this will give it the complete sturdiness that I'm looking for. For now, I'm using them in the storage cubicles. You can hide your remote control, your game controllers, really anything that you don't want anybody to see. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also like and share. I'd really appreciate it. God bless. Until my next video. Bye-bye.